Hi, today we're going to show you how to open your key fob and replace the battery. This key fob is for the Mazda 2 or Mazda 3 hatchback, depending on the year. And these guidelines are generally good for any key fob I've seen. Some do have different designs, but it's good to know what you're looking for, and you should be able to figure out with these general guidelines. So what we're first going to do is going to take the key fob and open it up from the actual key to the actual electronics component. Now in here, you're going to see a little notch right there. That is holding the key to the actual electronics component. So what we're going to do is we need to push that notch in to separate those. So I take a small pocket knife, and I like to use the file because it's thin enough to get in there, but it's not sharp, so I won't cut myself. And just go in there and push that little notch. And when you push it down, you should be able to separate the top from the bottom. Now that we've separated the key, we can put that to the side for now. And then the top here, you're going to see a notch right here. We need to separate the front part from the back part. So I, again, take my pocket knife and go into that little notch, and I just separate them. Just push it in and go sideways. That way you've separated the front from the back. And now you've got your battery in there, and we've got to replace it with a new battery. So again, just pop that battery out. Take the new one. You're just going to pop it back in. Now these will lie flat, and you also hear a clicking sound just like that when it's in place and secure. And now we just put it together like we took it apart. We put the front and back together, click them together till you hear that, and the key, just put it back in, and there you go. You've replaced the battery on your key fob.